There is no doubt that education and training have become more critical to business success. Regardless of your organization, you need to constantly train or educate your students, employees, partners, customers, community members, etc. My name is Jenny, and I will be your host today. At the end of this video presentation, you will be able to decide whether an LMS is right for your organization. So, what is an LMS? A learning management system, or LMS, is a software application for the administration, documentation, tracking, reporting, automation, and delivery of educational courses, training programs, or learning and development programs. It also goes by a variety of names, including virtual learning environment, course management systems, and collaborative learning environments. Common functionalities of an LMS include content management, user management, assessment creation, grading and tracking, collaboration tools, reporting and analytics, security features limiting access to authorized people, video conference tool, and many more. Let's talk about how an LMS can help your organization. Here are 3 practical scenarios to think about. Case study number 1. You are a private K-12 institution. Your city is experiencing a lockdown due to the COVID-19 pandemic. How do you continue to provide education to your students? Case study number 2. Your organization is growing rapidly and has multiple offices in Europe, Africa, and North America. How do you train your employees and build a strong business culture? Case study number 3. You are the owner of a private university and your student population is growing rapidly. Your current library cannot accommodate all students, and you also need more classroom spaces. How do you accommodate your students? These are few issues an LMS can solve. Now, let's talk about how our company can help you with an LMS. What can we do for you? We will take care of all the technical aspects of the platform on your behalf. You don't need to spend money on acquiring a server or hiring IT specialists to manage, update, and secure your server. We will install, configure, and brand your LMS for you. We will also train your staff on how to use the LMS. You will also designate 2 administrators that we will train for you for free. You also get 10 hours for free additional support. If you need more hours, we will charge only $50 per hour for technical support. How much does it cost to have an LMS? The cost depends on the number of users of the platform and the types of business. When the number of users is under 1,000, we have 3 plans. Basic plan, which is $87 per month, allows 1 trainer to create unlimited courses. Pro plan, which is $247 per month, allows up to 10 trainers to create unlimited courses. Ultimate plan, which is $497 per month, allows unlimited trainers to create unlimited courses. These plans are excellent for consultants and small organizations. Now, for large organizations, when the number of users is over 1,000. We also have 3 plans. Basic plan is limited to 2,000 users and costs $10,000 per year. Pro plan is limited to 6,500 users and costs $25,000 per year. Ultimate plan is limited to 13,000 users and costs $45,000 per year. We guarantee you a premium quality LMS at affordable costs. Our company is an industry leader in delivering e-learning solutions across the globe. For more than 10 years, we have helped leading government agencies, companies, universities, and nonprofits accomplish their training and learning goals by developing education software solutions, building online courses, deploying and hosting learning management systems, and creating web-based training materials. We will be glad to help your organization with all your LMS needs. Please send us an email to receive all the features of our LMS platform. Thank you for watching this video. Let's schedule a meeting to answer all your questions. Looking forward to working with you.